Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Hippie Mágica. Today I will be doing part 2 of Jobless to Dream Job Ho'oponopono meditation with the help of my beautiful magical harmonizer. So if you are jobless, if you are in a toxic job that you want to leave, because it's the same feeling like you want to get out of the situation where you're in, to get into a situation of your dreams in terms of career, job, dream job. This meditation is for you. So we begin by closing our eyes, taking a deep breath in for 3 and exhale for 3. One more time, inhale for 3 and exhale for 3. The universe above, within us, around us, already has that dream job that you so fiery and desperately desire. But in order for us, for everyone, for you to get the dream job that you want, you first need to let go of the job in the jobless reality that you are currently living. So imagine this powerful beam of light radiating from your heart up above your throat, your head, and it goes out into the crown of your head, connecting to the universe. Now we fully and totally release this energy of scarcity, of fear, scared that we can't make it on our own. This fear that someone needs to support us. This fear that we can't be our own bosses, that we can't make it successfully on our own, that we're going to fail, that we're going to be homeless, that we're going to starve if we quit our current job, if we stay in the current situation that we are in, jobless. Thank you. Thank you, and we let you go up into the universe. We fully and totally release a toxic environment that you're currently in. It could be at home. It can be at your current workplace with your current boss, with your current workers, being mistreated, being yelled at, being exploited, slavery, overworking, not being appreciated, not being valued, not being seen, not being heard, being repressed. We feel these feelings and then we send them out through this beam of light that goes up into the universe. Because we don't need it anymore. We don't need this energy anymore. We don't need and we don't want this reality anymore. This reality of scarcity, of fear, of exploitation, of being mistreated, of being abused for money, for work, because we can't do it on our own. We need someone to give us food. We need someone to give us a job. We need someone to give us something so we can survive. We fully and totally release these beliefs, this energy, these mental blockages. We release heartache from our heart, that we're a disappointment, that we can't make it on our own, that we're a disappointment for ourselves, that we disappointed ourselves. Why can't someone else do it and not me? Why are all these younger people succeeding and not me? Why are these people that have no experience succeed and I have a ton of experience and knowledge and I can't succeed? We release this emotion, this feeling of disappointment, of heartbreak, of failure, out into the universe because we are ready to live without it and to make space for a new reality. Now we say the Ho'oponopono prayer. I'm sorry for creating this reality for me. I'm sorry, my highest self, for staying in this reality of scarcity, of victimization, of low frequencies, of shame, of guilt, of fear. Thank you for teaching me a lesson. Thank you for bringing me up to this point of my life. Please take everything away from me that doesn't serve me anymore. Please take it all out. Please take it to someone that does need it. And I love you. I love you for being part of me. And I love you for giving me and bringing me everything that I could ever need and want for me to be in this situation right now, with a phone, with Wi-Fi, with a home, with clothes, with food. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You've done so much for me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry for forgetting my power. I'm sorry for forgetting that I am the universe, that I am the creator, that I am God, that I am infinite energy. I'm sorry that I forgot that I was this powerful creator and believing that I'm a simple human being. Please forgive me for my low and bad memory. Please forgive me for choosing a toxic environment, a toxic life, a toxic job, a toxic situation. Thank you. Thank you for always giving me what I want. Thank you for always bringing me what I'm a match to energetically. Thank you. You always do as I say. And I love you for being a perfect match to my frequency. Thank you for being a perfect match to me. Thank you for always being there. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry that I didn't appreciate you. Please forgive me for not letting you go sooner. Thank you for everything you brought to me. And I love you for creating my life up to now, but I let you go now. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. All toxicity, all negativity, or scarcity, or fear, all dependency on others. Thank you. And I love you. And I let you go now. Now we're ready through the same beam of light connected to the universe, going down through our crown of our heads, our face, our neck, our chest, and our connecting to our heart. Now we bring in our dream job. This dream job feels free, so freeing, so exciting. We bring in all these emotions into our heart, down this beam of light. Notice how it feels in your heart. How does it feel to live your dream life, to have your dream life, to experience your dream job in your dream life? This dream job, what qualities does it have? What kind of people do you meet? What kind of lifestyle do you have? How does it feel to be living in your dream job? It feels powerful. It feels freeing. I feel like a bird. I fly whenever I want, as high as I want, as fast as I want. I spread my wings as far out, and there's all the space in the world, in the sky, for me to fly in, to express my creativity, to express my emotions, to express my ideas. In the sky is the world that is welcome me to fly freely in any direction, in any expression, in any style, because I was born to fly. I was born to be a bird, to be flying free. All the ideas that you've ever wanted to do and express, now you're free to do them. Now you're free to do that dream job, working in the style that you want, with people or without people, in an office or remotely, the hours that you want, the days that you want to work out of the week, with the kind of people, with the kind of services that you want to provide, with the kind of people, their expectations, their results. What is their face saying when they work with you, when they receive your service, when they receive your work? Thank you. We've been waiting for you. We've been looking for you. Thank you for doing this. It's so valuable. Thank you. We want more. We want more. Thank you for existing in our lives. Thank you, universe, for bringing this dream job with these dream emotions, this dream lifestyle into our hearts. We lock them up into our hearts. We keep them permanently into our hearts. And now we are living and attracting and magnetizing our dream job right now. You may open your eyes now. How does it feel to be living your dream job? Because your dream job is not out there. It first needs to live in here. How does it feel? Write it in the comments. Share it with me because it feels freaking amazing. It feels free. It feels peaceful. It feels like a bird. It feels powerful, exciting, right? Your dream job, it's on its way to you right now. Any day, any time, any week, it'll be here. But you need to be consistent and be in this frequency. So listen to this meditation as much as you can to get into this frequency and to let go of that old job, toxic environment, and make more space for this new dream job and make it permanent. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Let me know how you felt, when and if you manifest anything in regards to your dream job, to your dream job, dream career. Share it with me. I would love to know, like what you manifested. What was your dream job and how was your life before and how it is now? And not just for my personal happiness and pleasure, but you will also inspire others and help others believe that it's possible to have their dream job. Thank you, and I will see you in the next meditation. Bye-bye, everyone.